Hello students. In this video I am going to discuss a numerical based on divergence angle. Let's start this video. I have written a numerical. See, helium neon laser beam having a wavelength of 632.8 nanometer is expanded to diameter of 1 meter. Means one helium neon laser is expanded to a diameter of 1 meter and then pointed towards the moon. If the distance of moon from earth is given as 3.8 into 10 to the power 5 kilometer, then diameter of central maxima on the surface of moon is. So, suppose this is the source of a laser. This laser is helium neon laser. Now, radius or diameter of this is expanded to a 1 meter and then pointed towards the moon. So moon is placed above. So when a light laser will propagate, it will have some divergence. So because of this, it will generate on the surface of a moon. What will be generated? A circular spot will be generated. Now this angle is called angular spread or the divergence angle. This is the source of light that is having a divergence, that has a diameter of 1 meter. So we know that source of light is, what is its divergence angle? Divergence angle is given by, that is 1.22 lambda by d, where lambda is the wavelength of a laser. What is the wavelength given? Value of lambda is given as 632.8 nanometer and diameter of this light source, which is given as 1 meter because it is expanded to diameter of 1 meter. So the diameter of aperture diameter, the light source, laser source which is used, that is having a diameter of 1 meter. Now, it is pointed towards the moon and question is asked what is the diameter of this circular spot on the surface of moon. So this is nothing but, if we can calculate the radius, we can determine the diameter from this triangle. This is the, if this is L is the length, the distance from laser or the earth to moon, that is given as 3.8. So in this triangle, that R is given by theta into L, because theta equal, tan theta is equal to R by L, and for small value of theta, tan theta is same as theta, so theta is equal to R by L, or R is equal to theta into L. So R is the radius of a circular spot and we have to find out the diameter. So diameter is nothing, that is equal to diameter of a circular spot on the surface of moon is twice into R, or the twice of this radius. So means twice of theta into L, where theta is the angular spread, L is the distance from source to destination. Now theta is given by 1.22 lambda by d into L is the distance which is given as 3.8 into 10 to the power 5 kilometers. So convert into meter means 10 raised to 3. Now 2 into 1.22. What is the value of lambda given? 6327.8 into nanometer, so convert into meter. Now diameter is given as 1 meter into 3 into 8 into 10 power 8. If you solve this, that will come out to be 587 meter. So this is the round figure, 586 point something, or round off to 587 meter. So this is the diameter of a circular space on the surface of moon. Thank you.